Help me get through it.
You got it with gangster.
Free round liner.
Me.
Never fear to finish that.
What up, Tuna?
Thanks for joining.
Take a deep breath. Count to 10. Slowly.
Normally that be slow. I figured Friday probably would be the hectic days.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hmm.
6, 7, 8.
Y'all had to do the challenge?
Me.
I had you practicing over there.
That's how I'm trying to get her to focus on. No.
Start hitting that back. And always pat, try not to wipe as much. Especially in the beginning. If you're a beginner, you definitely wipe off your stencil. So wipe that way versus towards your stencil. Wipe away from your stencil. If you're having a problem with wiping your stencil off, that's why. Dab. Oh no.
For joining the live, your follow will be appreciated.
Appreciate it, appreciate it.
You
Yeah,
announced that you leveled up to level 1.
yeah, this is a 4-stroke machine right here. And this is my main line I use.
No.
Yes, I do recommend that 4-stroke for that line. You're going back, touching the line, cleaning it up. Make sure they're in there. Yes, sir. I'm about to wipe it down. See how we're looking. Look for any spots if we got to touch up anything.
You're running and doing it.
We got to touch
Give me
this
my
little
money.
back part on the F,
You seen that? Give me
the
my
side
money.
of the
Shut
O.
up.
Yeah,
I'm saying,
because
just
the
give me
one
my money.
pass was perfect.
It's fine.
Especially as a side tattoo. So sometimes I do get comfortable trying to do a whole line instead of just taking my time because the person may breathe and any little thing could happen. So just take your time. Small little thing you gotta touch up. Remember, it's like almost like a single line word. You got a couple of spots that's bolder
Word approved.
that we're gonna go over, but other than that, we good.
Color will be appreciated.
add them little shadows on. Not really shadows, but you know, like basically with the boldness, like kind of improvise shadows, bold on one side, then on another side. On to the hole. The thickness on this left side of all the letters pretty much. Keep it consistent. Same as F on his left side. Now I can wipe this way because we ain't got no stencil behind it. All our stuff is down. The thickness on the top of the A right here, right around the curve. We're gonna be moving over to the K. Just basically creating a line right next to another line, but not too bold. Can't separate that for at all. That's gonna be a little bold in between the part and the K. As you get closer to the K, get a little bit bolder, so we're gonna kind of arch them two together. Nope. Now onto the I. Yeah, this part be thicker, but that line gonna be thin. Just a little bit thicker, but coming down gonna be thin or bolder. Or enough thin coming down bold. Thick and thin, thick and thin.
Yeah, that big, since you asked me before, hey,
The thickness on the back of
I
the
guess
D, and we
that's
gonna
skinny
be
people.
done.
I don't got nothing on my stuff. We're stretching them. I think that's wrong with it. Ain't that right? I wonder what that be for.
Got our thickness on the back of the D. We're just about to hit that thinner line in the front one more time. And also the bottom of the D. This thickness right here. And there we go, Chad. Time to wipe it down. On, wipe me down, huh?
That wasn't so bad, huh?
Not bad at all. All good. Turn that to the side. Yep, right there. Boom. You all good. One of a kind. You about to clean it down one more time. Put some A&D ointment on it and wrap it up. Make sure all the ink out that area.
I hope so. Ain't no stuff like
The
that.
A&D ointment.
So you got it from the game. Yeah, well, hopefully, I ain't never had no, what you call it, I don't know, I might still.
Wrap it up now. Wrap it up. Tape.
Thanks for joining.
Post that